welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Cantuti Plans. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner, and it's a vertical for the week of August 29th through September 4th. So I'm going to go ahead and take the pages off of my discs. Okay, we have our pages off of our disc, and today I'm going to be using a music kit from a shop called Sammy Lynn Planning. And here are the sheets that come in that music kit, and I'll go ahead and link her shop down below, but I will be using the music kit with florals. So here are the sheets that come in the kit. Very nice, very pretty. All right, and if I happen to need any functional boxes, I'll go ahead and pull out some of my boxes, but since this does come with some, I think I should be okay. I may need like a sidebar box, but I'll go ahead and get that one out of my Mojo-Jojo Neutral Boxes sticker book. Okay, I got my Mojo-Jojo Plans-Neutral Boxes book that I'm going to go ahead and be pulling out some functional boxes from if I don't have enough with the ones from the Sammy Lynn Planning Kit. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I have a few ideas, but we'll see how this goes. I saw this big sticker and I knew right away where I wanted this to go, and it's going to go right here on the bottom corner. Okay, but I do want it to be cut right here where the box ends. So I'm going to go ahead and get my my ruler. And I'm also going to get my cutting tool. Okay, so it's going to be my EK Tools retractable cutting knife. We're going to go ahead and take this and we're going to cut right down to make sure we get this cut correctly and straight. Okay. Okay, here it goes. All right, that looks good there. Now, I'm gonna see about these checklists that come with the kit. I don't know if they're too short. We'll see. We'll keep these here to the side. And let's go ahead and take a look at what else we have here in the kit. And these are good headers. I thought I had another sheet. Oh, yes, I do. Here they are. All right, so here are the decorative boxes. I think I'm going to go ahead and get started with those. Now, if these fit across here, I think that's what I'm going to do. And then, well, but then that doesn't leave any space for actual planning. Okay, so maybe I'll do those decorative boxes over here. And maybe do those across the top, or maybe run them across the bottom as well. Not quite sure about that, but I do see this longer sticker. Oh, I thought it was one sticker, but it's actually several little stickers. Okay, we'll put this back. I may use it, but not in the original way I intended. Okay, I do want to use these. I just have to decide where they go here on the actual spread. Okay, I'm going to put these across the top. So we're going to go ahead and take this one and put it on Monday. They're a little short. Okay. We're going to put it there on Monday. Then we're going to put another one on Tuesday. Okay, and one more on Wednesday. And I think we're gonna go ahead and use this one that looks like a corner piece. Okay. All right. So now we got some decorative elements on the page. And I think I'm going to use the to-do stickers here across the center portion of this side. So we'll see how that goes, how that looks. Okay, now these do fit the box all the way across. So we're gonna go ahead and put those all the way across. And one more for Sunday. Okay, now I'm gonna see about these checklists, see if they fit across here, and it looks like they do. So we're gonna go ahead and put some across here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tweezers just because these are a little smaller to work with and I wanna make sure that they're centered correctly. All right, so we're looking about right here, I think. Okay. All right. Then we're gonna go in with the pinkish red. I try to line these up as best as I can. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with this tan. And lastly with the cream. All right, let's see how this looks. Looks pretty good. Now I kind of like how this looks, and I always have to-dos for every day, so I'm thinking about running that across this way and doing the same thing there. And I do have enough to-do stickers for that, or headers for that, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do that while I'm thinking about it. So we're going to run the to-do list also to this side. Okay. And we're going to add 2 more and 1 more. Okay, and we are going to add those same checklists from the other side, and we're going to start with the purple again. All right, and then the pinkish red. All right, and then the tan. Okay. All right, so we got our to-dos and we got our decorative boxes going. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what else we would need to add. I do need to add a box for Tuesday and a box for Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those while I'm thinking about it. Okay, so we're gonna put a purple one here. All right, and then we're gonna put the pinkish red on Friday over here. All right. Okay. We're gonna move this one just a little. I think I put it down slightly crooked. So we're gonna go ahead and just straighten this one out. Okay. All right. And then we're going to add a sidebar. But before we do that, I do want to figure out what we're going to do right here in these boxes because they do look a little empty. So I'm going to take a look one more time to see what I have to work with here. All right. We got a weekend sticker right here, so we're going to go ahead and use that. Want to make sure I don't rip it. Let's see. All right. Now I did see a full box in here, so I think we're going to put it across that, like layered, and then we'll put down that box. Okay. Looks about good to me. All right. Then we're gonna take this big box. Oops. All right. And we're gonna lay it across Saturday and Sunday. I think right about here will be good, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn the page. That way I can center it for both days. All right, so we've got the weekend labeled. Okay, so now we're gonna go through our Mojo-Jojo Plans-Neutral boxes book, and we're gonna get us a sidebar sticker. All right, and I think this one goes really well with the colors that we've got. Oops, sorry about that. I just dropped my pen. I'll go ahead and pick that up later. And we're gonna go ahead and put this one across, I think, the top this time around. So I can put something decorative towards the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down here towards the top. Make sure that it's as straight as I can get it to be. All right, looks good. Now, I did see a sticker that I liked in the kit that I wanted to put underneath my sidebar. So I'm gonna go ahead and find that one before I forget. Okay. It's gonna be this white flower right here. We're gonna end up putting it here. Hopefully it fits. Okay. All right, so this was going to take a little bit just because it is a strip by strip photo or full box. I'm going to make it into a full box. It is a little time consuming, but it is worth it because I do like how how these strips look as an actual full box. All right, and that one completes the picture. All right, and it looks really good. I'm really happy with how that turned out. All right. And now I'm going to go ahead and get my Daily Gratitude sticker from Steph's Design Space. All right. I'll go ahead and link Steph's shop down below in case you want to get yourself some Daily Gratitude scripts. and they're always available on her shop or in her shop. Okay. Now we do want to put some bullet points down for each day of the week, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do here. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, and Sunday. All right, so we have our daily gratitude section completed, and we do have some decorative elements, and we do have our functional boxes. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do down here is, since we do have a little bit more room, I am going to use a little more of our decorative stickers that we have available here. All right, so we're going to go in with this one right in here. Ooh, that's crooked. All right, we're going to try that again and see if I can get that one straight this time. Okay. All right, so we got one. We've got two. Two right here. And we've got three. Okay. And I am going to add these today's across this box that we put in here, and another one over here. All right. And as we go throughout the week, if I do need to put in some more important dates to remember, I can go ahead and do that. I do have some space available, or I can just write in the white boxes here. All right, and I think that concludes my spread for this week. I hope you guys enjoy this music note spread that I created this week. Again, these are stickers from Sammy Lynn Planning, and also stickers from the Mojo-Jojo Plans-Neutral boxes book. And let's see, I think those were the only two sticker books I used to complete the spread, plus my daily gratitude sticker that I got from Steph's Design Space. And I'll go ahead and link those three shops down below in case you guys are interested in buying any of the items that I used in my spread today. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys like, subscribe, and click that notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support and for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.